Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. So I wanted to do a project pan kind of series video. I'm not really sure exactly how I'm gonna do this yet because I've never done this before, but all I know is I have some products that I really want to use up. So I really want to put some focus on using them throughout the year. Maybe even, I don't know how long it takes typically to use up some of these products. So I will most likely probably do like updates, monthly. And I think what I'm going to do, I watched a couple videos of people who do project panning. One that I watched was by Kelly Gooch. I can't remember exactly her name, but I'll link her video down below if you're interested in project panning. But I thought it was interesting how she does hers, which she does like a rolling one. So basically she chooses products for the year, and then once a month she checks in, and if there's something that she wants to take out and put something else in, she does. Like if it's something she's kind of tired of using, or if she uses something up, she adds something in, that kind of thing. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I also like the idea of doing it monthly because I don't wear makeup every day, so I think it will take me a while to go through some products, so it would be good to like kind of let you guys know monthly what it's going like. Maybe even like every month do like a makeup look using whatever thing I have in my project pan that month, and kind of maybe like a chit chat get right with me kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? So in this video I wanted to go ahead and choose the products I want to put into project pan. Ever since I started my declutter series, and I've mentioned this I feel like in every video since I started that I just really want to use up the makeup that I have. I feel guilty having makeup sit there and go bad, but now that I have all my makeup decluttered, I wanted to gather the products that I do have that are still kind of old, but they're products I want to use up that I'm not really sure what I'm trying to say here, except that basically the decluttering has really made me more aware of the products I have and how much I really need to focus on using them more. So that's what this is gonna be about. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of thing. If you do, let me know if this is something you guys want to continue to see, or if you guys think this is boring. I'm not really sure how this is gonna be received, but either way, I'm pretty excited to choose some stuff to really like focus on and really use things up. I think it's gonna be so satisfying to use something up and just like look at it empty. Oh, I'm really excited for that moment. I would love to see if you guys would join me in this process. Even if you don't have a big makeup collection, it's still nice to be able to focus on using something up and really get the value of your dollars spent, because I'm sure there's some of you guys out there that you have some makeup that maybe you don't wear makeup that often, but you always think, I should really be using that. I should use that. I should use that. I should do this. And I'm inviting you to join me and to do this with me. I hope that all makes sense. I don't really know what I'm talking about, to be honest. I'm just rambling. I don't know. I got makeup and I want to use it up, and I want to share it with you guys. Let's go ahead and start choosing some stuff. And this is gonna be a lot easier now that I've decluttered my makeup. I'm so glad I got rid of so much stuff. You guys, it is so much makeup that I got rid of. It's insane. If you guys haven't checked out my declutter series, I'll put it up here. I have it in a playlist if you want to check it out. Let's go ahead and choose some stuff. Let's pick a primer and foundation first, and maybe like a setting spray too. Okay, here is my drawer. It's so empty after I decluttered. Oh, I love it so much. It's so empty. Okay, so the first thing is we need a primer. I think I'm gonna choose this one. I'm pretty sure I want to choose this one. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I definitely want to use this up. So yeah, let's do that one. And then let's go ahead and also do this It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. It's about halfway gone. This is definitely something I want to use up because it's pretty old and it needs to get used up. And then I think I'm also going to do this. This is the Smashbox photo finish primer water. Why did I have so much trouble saying that? I don't know. This is the primer water. I'm gonna use this up. It's about halfway gone, but yeah, it's just an okay product to me, and it's something that I don't want to get rid of, but I also need to use up, so we're gonna choose that. Okay, now for powder, I want to use this. This is the NYX finishing powder. I hardly use this. It's pretty old, so I definitely want to pop this out and put this into this project and, really give it a good go. Try to use it up. this might be something that I might end up switching out, because I am gonna allow myself to switch out stuff that like I don't like at all, but I will have to get rid of it in that case. Do you know what I mean? So like if I start using something, I'm like, I don't like this, I'm tired of it, I'm gonna get rid of it and add something else in, if that makes sense. Now let's choose a bronzer. Okay, so I want to, I think butter bronzer. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's choose the butter bronzer, and it's kind of got a dip in there. I don't know if you guys can even tell, but it kind of has a dip in there. So let's go ahead and choose this one to get through. The packaging is broken as well, so I would really love to use that up. I'm also gonna put this Hula Quickie Contour Stick by Benefit, because I hardly use it and it's getting old, so I really need to use this. So I'm gonna put that in there as well. Blush, let's choose, oh, this is gonna be so hard. Maybe one of these Tarte blushes, because they're pretty old. I think this is the one that I like really like, and maybe I'll do this one. This is like a nude blush, so it probably would be a really good choice. I just stuck my nail in there a little bit. That would be a good choice because it will go with a lot of stuff. So yeah, let's just do that one. Highlighter. Okay, so I have 2 drawers of highlighter. Ooh, this would be a good thing to put in. This is the ColourPop Smoke and Whistles Super Shock Cheek Highlighter, and it's getting pretty old, and I really like it, but I don't use it enough. So let's put that in there as well. I want to use one of these cream ones because they sit right here a lot. So let's use this Revolution liquid highlighter. It's this shade, it's like champagne, but it goes with like a lot of different looks. So let's put that in there too. And I can use this a lot of different ways. I haven't really dug into it too much, and I really need to because I really like it. I just don't use it, and I don't know why. So we're gonna use that. Also a concealer. I forgot to grab a concealer. I'm going to grab this. It's a LA Girl Pro Conceal. I've used some of it up and it's getting pretty old, so I want to use the rest of it up. Let's add that in there. And then an eyeliner. Should I choose an eyeliner too? Yeah, I think it would be good to choose an eyeliner. How about this one? Let's try to use up this. This is the Tarteist. It's called the Double Take eyeliner, and let's use that up. It's got a liquid liner on one side and a pencil liner on the other, and it's a really good product. So let's use that as well. Mascara. I don't think I'm gonna choose one. I use a lot of these. Let's choose an eye primer. I want to use up this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. It's pretty, like, there's a lot like that I've used it already, so it shouldn't take too long to finish up, I don't think, but this is my favorite one. You know, you guys know that's my favorite, but I really need to use up this one, so let's put that in there. Okay, now for an eyeshadow palette. This is gonna be really difficult for me to choose. I don't know if I should choose just like one, or if I should choose 2 to work on throughout the year that are ones that are like go-tos, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I should choose 2. Okay, here's my eyeshadows up here. I don't know why they're so spread out like this. I don't know what's going on. Oh, I think I have some that aren't on the shelf. I do think I want to put one of these in here. Should I do, oh, maybe I should just do both of these. These are the Tartelette palette. Oh my god, I almost dropped that one. My heart just like skipped a beat. This is the Tarte in the Bloom palette. I'm just gonna show you guys here. It's kind of hard to like film up there, so I'm just gonna show you guys right here. I think that I'm gonna do this Tarte in the Bloom palette. It's quite old, but it's a great neutral palette, so let's put that in there. Should I put this Toasted palette in here too? This is really pretty. I love this so much. I think I am. I think I'm gonna do both of these Tarte palettes because they're both like getting up there in age. Oh, this sounds so weird because we're talking about makeup. I have different vibes, so I think I'm not gonna get tired of them. Yeah, let's put them both in there. Let's do it, let's do it. Maybe I should do the Modern Renaissance, the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. That's a good choice too. No, I'm gonna stick with these 2. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with these 2 Tarte palettes. And this Anastasia, yeah, we'll put that on the back burner. Oh, we need a lipstick too, don't we? Ooh. Okay, I also wanna throw in this face palette. This is the Hourglass Volume 4 Ambient Lighting Edit. What? This is an ambient powder palette. I want to put this in here because I've talked about it before. It's not my favorite, but I'm not getting rid of it because it was really expensive and I really want to get my money's worth. I don't hate it, but I don't love it, and I really want to try to use this as much as I possibly can this year because it was expensive. I don't know what I was even gonna say. I know what I was gonna say. There's a couple products I'm not choosing something out of because they don't last that long anyways, like mascara, eyebrow pencils. I go through those like crazy, so I don't think I really need to put any of those in a project pan. But we do need a lipstick. I'm gonna put all of these ColourPop lippy sticks in this project pan. First of all, there's a lot of different colors, so I won't ever get tired of them. But I really want to use these up because a lot of them are getting old and I really need to use them. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw all of these ColourPop lippy sticks in this project pan, see how many I can get through of them, you know? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use these. These are great to put in the purse too, so I should be able to get through a few of these. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's do that. All right, you guys, so I think that's everything that I'm gonna put in this project pan. So let me just show you guys really quick again. So for priming and setting, I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer and the Photo Finish setting primer water. Gosh, I don't even know. I don't know why I don't know the name of that. Foundation, I have the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. I have this NYX HD Finishing Powder, LA Girl Pro Concealer. I have this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is the original. For bronzer, I have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and the Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I have this Tarte Blush in Unstoppable. Highlighter, I have the Revolution Liquid Highlighter in Champagne and the ColourPop Smoke and Whistles Super Shock Cheek Highlighter. And then I have this Tarte Tardiest Double Take Eyeliner. The Hourglass Ambient Face Palettes. Both of these Tarte palettes, the Toasted and the In Bloom. And all of these ColourPop lippy sticks. I feel good about this. I feel like I can get... I feel good about this. I feel like I can make my way through these products. Like, yeah. I'm excited about this. I think that I'll go ahead and also film like a get ready with me with these products so you guys can see them, how I use them. So yeah, I'll do that. I'll go ahead and film that probably tomorrow. So that will be like, it'll come out not long after this one. So if you guys want to see these products in action and how I feel about them, if you guys aren't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you guys can be on the lookout for the video. And yeah, I hope I got my point across. I feel like this is a pretty quick video. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of thing. And I'm really excited to start this little series. Well, I guess it's the big series because it's like a year-long thing. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!